This is a song I produced a while back. I never made an actual like track off it yet, but it's something I plan on doing in the immediate future, so definitely trying to write something to this. I made this about, I don't know, maybe a year ago. What's up, everybody? It's Eric Bassett again. Right now I'm about to go to this fireworks show, so I'm not sure when it's gonna be starting, but I'm just waiting in the car right now. Probably get out in a little bit. Hopefully it'll be a good show. So let's see what happens. Should I bring my launcher?
Lunch?
No, not lunch. Launcher, Diego.
There's a launcher. A rocket launcher?
A
little bit of fireworks. I don't know why.
Right here. People have already started. Finally, they started.